How to set up proxies in Premiere Pro. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you how you can set up proxies in Premiere Pro. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, open up your Premiere Pro, and once you've added all your projects, just simply select all of them, right click, and just go and click on proxies and click on create proxy. Select the format that you want, either QuickTime or H24. It depends on you. Set the preset quality to whatever you're comfortable with. I usually go with medium since it allows me to edit my videos and not lose quality or processing time. And then for destination, you can choose a separate folder, or you can just simply add it right next to the original media file so that all of your assets are in just single one folder. So after that, just simply click on OK, and it will open up Adobe Media Encoder and it will start creating proxies for you. And over here, all you have to do is hit the green button. But if it doesn't, usually it automatically starts encoding and creating proxies. But if it doesn't, just hit the green button and you should be good to go. And that is basically it. After that, you are good to go. So as you can see, it's ready. I can just simply go ahead and do that and it'll be good to go. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.